This is Fine Frame Square die set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set with 3 individual dies. This set includes 3 delicate square frames in varying sizes. These frames are great for adding a focal point to your projects. You may frame sentiments, floral images, or add it on top of a background collage. The size of the largest frame matches the size of the mosaic panel from our stone mosaic stamp set, and the two make a perfect pair. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about the Fine Frame Square die set from Altenew, its featured projects and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.